What is up world, welcome back to my channel. Vladi B here with another video. So here's what's happening. Although a lot of people thought crypto is going to disappear, it's still around, and it's around pretty strong. Bitcoin is $20-some thousand today. Yes, it's not at $50,000, but it's also not at $1,000 or even $1. It's valued more than gold. If you look at gold prices, for example, 1 gram of gold is about $50-some, $56 to $60 for 1 gram. To put into perspective, 1 ounce of gold is gonna cost you a few $1,000s. How can you compare Bitcoin to gold? I would say that 1 Bitcoin would be equivalent to 1 kilogram of gold, which is about 2.2 pounds. And I say kilogram because this is one significant unit. You can't really compare 1 ounce of gold to a Bitcoin. If anything, 1 ounce of gold is like a Satoshi. But if you think about it, 1 kilo of gold makes sense. And 1 kilo of gold is definitely going to be pretty expensive, just like 1 Bitcoin is today. 100 grams of gold is about $5,000 to $6,000. Let's say it's $6,000 because it's closer to 6 than it is to 5. 1 kilo is 1,000 grams, so 100 times 10, $6,000 times 10, and it's going to be worth $60,000. 1 kilo of gold is equivalent to 60,000, roughly, give or take, and 1 Bitcoin is worth 20,000, and at some point it's been as high as 60,000. It's pretty fair to assume that you can compare 1 kilo of gold to 1 Bitcoin. But what is better? A better investment. In terms of investment and the terminology, you can't say that gold is a good investment because it's more so a protection against inflation. Anybody will tell you that. The reason is because it doesn't go up in price significantly, but it definitely holds its value, and this is why it's a protection. It protects your money against burning in that savings account. If you have $20,000 in the savings account, 5 years down the road, that same $20,000 will only be able to buy you as much as $10,000 can buy you today, if not less. But what happens if you buy $20,000 worth of gold? Eventually that $20,000 worth of gold is actually going to be worth more, because as the inflation goes up, the price of gold actually will go up as well. So you're protecting yourself against that money burning away without you even being able to use it. But I think this is good to add to your portfolio if you already have a significant portfolio and you have something to protect against inflation. If you don't have a significant amount of money to protect against inflation, against anyone else, you should invest it into something that will actually help you grow that money. And this is an actual investment, like the stock market, like the housing market, your own business. All that is an investment that can increase your capital. It can increase your net worth. If you put your money in gold, it doesn't really increase. It just doesn't depreciate. It just stays, it goes with the inflation, it goes with the current economy. Bitcoin, on the other hand, can be considered an investment because it grows so much in value that you can put $20,000 today to buy 1 Bitcoin, and then maybe in a few months to even a year, it's going to be worth $60,000. Gold will not jump this far, this high, this quickly and suddenly, like Bitcoin does. It doesn't, it just stays more or less around the same. So cryptocurrency in general is considered an investment because you're putting your money into something, into an asset, into coins and tokens that will go up in value significantly over the next few months to few years. But it's really extremely dangerous to play that game because you never know what really is going to happen to that cryptocurrency, to that token that you're investing your money into. Whereas with gold, you can be pretty safe to assume that if you buy a bunch of gold, it's going to remain a bunch of gold and it's still going to be valued no matter where you go around the world. With cryptocurrency, it's a bit different, but we do know that there are some cryptocurrencies out there that are extremely valued, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, etc. There are a few of them that anybody will tell you they will stay in for the long run, because there is a lot of utility. There are a lot of people supporting it, a lot of people behind it, that it's never gonna go away. It is the future, there is no way. Just like gold will never go away, I'm pretty sure that nothing is gonna happen to it. And a lot of really smart people, macro investors, they will tell you that this is an amazing opportunity. Some articles will tell you that there is going to be a long winter, a long crypto winter ahead of us, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna go away. If anything, it means that we now have a lot of time to do research and put money into really good assets, really good coins and tokens that might, as they say, go up to the moon in the near future. And you will be a fool not to try at least a little bit of your portfolio should contain cryptocurrency, at least a little bit, just to diversify, just to give yourself that chance. If you don't give yourself a chance, it's not going to happen for you. It's not going to happen on its own. Nobody's going to come and just give you cryptocurrency. Nobody's going to do things for you. You have to take your own life into your own hands and do something with it. Whether it is investing into real estate, investing into the stock market or the crypto market, something needs to be done. Otherwise, you will always work a 9-to-5 job or even be unemployed at some point in your life for some period of time. This is not a financial advice, so I do suggest you do a lot of research before you invest your money into anything, but keep in mind that this is a great opportunity, and if you're smart with your money, if you don't invest into junk, but actually invest into well-known, well-established things, you will multiply your money. It doesn't hurt. Instead of going out and partying every weekend, put that $100 towards crypto. $100 every week, $400 a month. Whatever you were about to waste, just try to change your mind and invest it instead of wasting it. And by wasting, I mean junk food, going out late, drinking alcohol, smoking weed, doing any sorts of other drugs, and anything that just really wastes your money and doesn't bring you any value back. It's nice to treat yourself out, and once a year or even a couple of times a year, depending on your circumstances, it's a good idea to go out and have fun, spend a little bit of your hard-earned money. That will definitely motivate you to keep working harder and keep getting closer and closer to your own goals. But if you're just wasting your life away every single weekend, this is really useless. It doesn't bring you anything in life. It's gonna keep you where you are, and if anything, it's gonna push you a few steps back, while your other peers that are actually getting their life together are gonna go much further in life because they're not wasting their time clubbing and partying in bars, but actually learning, educating themselves, investing time into their own education, into their own personal development. And I urge you to do just that. Invest time and money into your own personal development, and you'll go really far in life. You will do way better than you can even imagine. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in another video.